Hi everyone, I'm Jess and I'm new to the world of barbecuing, but today I'll be using the Traeger Timberline to cook a paella. So firstly we're going to preheat the Traeger to 204 degrees centigrade or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This can be done using the controls on the Traeger or via the Traeger app. The Traeger Timberline, which you can see here, as well as the Traeger Timberline XL, which is a bit of a bigger option, both come with this induction hob, which you can see here. So this is a really useful addition, and we'll get some use out of it today to cook the chicken stock and saffron. But if your Traeger does not include this, you can just do it on the grill. Now I'm just making 2 litres of chicken stock, which I'll then add some saffron to. Now that the barbecue's getting really near to temperature, I'm going to put in this paella pan, which is conveniently the Traeger colours, and add the olive oil, onion and chorizo. I'm just giving it a stir so that everything's covered in the oil, and then I'll leave it for 10 to 15 minutes until the onions are translucent. So that's been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes now, and it's looking really good. It smells amazing as well, I can't wait to try it. But it's now time to add the garlic and then cook for another 3 minutes and then add the rice. So it's now time to add the rice. For the rice you want to use any short grain rice or specific paella rice. I've got this one here, it says paella on it, so hopefully not too much can go wrong. I've weighed out 375 grams of the paella rice, and I'm going to put it in with the chorizo and then stir it around until every grain is evenly coated with oil. I'm then going to add a little sprinkle of salt as well. I'm then going to pat that down evenly so that it's spread across the whole base of the pan. And then ladle some chicken stock over the top just so that a thin layer is over the rice. We'll now leave that for about 15 minutes until the rice has mostly absorbed the stock. Now that the rice has absorbed most of the stock, it's time to add our frozen peas, mussels and prawns, but you can use any seafood you'd like. And then we're going to coat it all with the rest of the stock. When you put the mussels in, or clams, you want to put them so that the seal is face down, so that all of the juices inside will run out into the paella to help enhance the flavour. Now that the peas and the prawns and the mussels have all been added with an extra layer of stock over the top, I'm going to leave it in there for an extra 15 to 20 minutes until the rice has absorbed the rest of the stock, and then it'll be ready to decorate and eat. Now that the rice has finished absorbing all of the stock, we're going to finish it off and of course make it look pretty with some lemon wedges and some parsley. And there you have it, dinner is served. If you decide to give this recipe a go, be sure to share it on social media and tag us. We'd love to see your finished results and your adaptations of it. While you're there, give us a follow on Instagram and Facebook. We usually post 2 or 3 times a week, and you'll see more up-to-date things of what we get up to. If you'd like to see more videos like this, cooking and outdoor kitchen walkthroughs, then subscribe to our YouTube